Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of colorful design of handmade crochet shirts. It's very beautiful and trending designs. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these shirts designs are so stunning, so unique and so useful. You can see all the colors are so beautiful and very cool. I hope you all love these beautiful amazing designs. So share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most amazing crochet shirts ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing and most attractive designs of handmade crochet shirts. Must make these beautiful designs for yourself for more beautiful and outclassed look. When you apply this beautiful collection, your beauty is enhanced. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclassed collection, it's an most amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely viewers, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.